I think the professor, she's asking for more dancers. If you join her, you will get some prizes from South Sulawesi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Toraja dance! Wonderful. And right after this, can we have our dancer, Professor Nurlina, to please come on the stage, okay? And I will call two more professors to come join us on the stage. But first, let's give a big hand to the delegation on the right of the stage. They are from the Makassar State University. Can you please wave your hands? Give it up for them. They just came from Indonesia. They just arrived and they're here just for Explore Indonesia 2017. Thank you so much, Professor. And right now, I want to invite to the stage Professor Gufran and Professor Just. Let's get some mics. Professors, please come on the stage. Please take the mic with you. Welcome to LA. Yes, it's working, right? The microphone is working. And we have our dancer, please, here. So, professors, can you please tell us more about the dance that we just saw?
All right. On behalf of Makassar State University, on behalf of the President of Makassar State University, Professor Hussein Sam, we are coming to LA today. We just arrived at the airport about around 1:20.
1:20. So you just straight from the airport. Come on, another big round of applause, please, for Makassar State University for being here.
In South Sulawesi, we have 4 ethnics. The first ethnic is Makassar. The second one is Bugis. The third one is Toraja, and this one of the Torajan ethnic blouses. This combine of the several dresses here over here. There is this is called Mamasan, and this is one of the one of the Tongkonan. Tongkonan is the house of the Toraja.
So it's kind of like an architecture house. Okay.
Architecture
house.
Wow,
they make it into headpiece.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how about the colors?
The colors is the traditional colors of Toraja.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And we understand that the Makassar State University professors working with local universities in the United States. Can you tell us more about the programs that you have?
Thank you. First of all, I want to say I am very happy to come to Los Angeles. This is first time for me and maybe another our group too. And the second one is I want to introduce that actually in Makassar State University we have 9 faculty, and then one of the faculty is art and design, and Mrs. Lina is the dean of the
art of design faculty.
Yes.
Wow! Give it up for Professor Lina. She's the dean for the arts faculty. Wow.
Makassar State University have many programs to visit another country like USA.
Okay.
And then today we are in Los Angeles, and tomorrow we will go to Philadelphia for visit Temple University, and then we will go to Yale University.
Yale University.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so you have exchange program or?
Yes, there is exchange program between the students, especially for the PhD students.
PhD
students, and then we are approving right now. Is there any possibility to get more research collaboration between some university in the United States and with us?
Wow, that is wonderful. Is that just in the arts? And or
this is all the broad departments.
All departments.
Yes, all departments. Wow. Yeah.
Well, congratulations one more time. Thank you for being here. One more time, let's give it up for Makassar State University.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Indonesia.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right.